How do? Cordless Dremels. Who knew they were even a thing? Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to King Bespoke Creations. Well, Dremels, very useful things. We do like them. But they do a cordless version. I never knew cordless versions existed. Check this out. So this is the Dremel 8220 cordless. Yeah, cordless. I know. Who knew? Right, opening the box, we have the Dremel itself. What a neat and tidy little package that is. Detachable battery, so we can leave that charging up. I'm sure you can then buy spare batteries. It comes with the charger and a few other bits and bobs. A great big pack of stuff. We have one of these. This is a shaping platform which you can buy separately, but you're getting for now with this kit. It's brilliant. So you stick that on there, and then you've got a perfect 90 degrees and a perfect 45 degrees on there as well. What else have we got? Oh, a handle. Again, you can buy these handles separately for your standard Dremels, but it comes with the pack. So this actually will attach onto the Dremel like that, so you can use it almost then like a drill, like a handheld drill thing. Cool. Didn't know you'd get those for free. That's nice. And also comes this nice LED light. How cool is that? That's really good. So that just will give you, again, more detailed view of whatever it is you're working on. It's not very heavy either. I was a bit worried with the battery that it might be sinking backwards all the time. It just isn't. So even if you're using this as a handheld item on its own for some detailed stuff, that's actually going to be really easy to use. Stick the handle on there and you've got a nice thing to work with. Or any of the other Dremel accessories that you can ever get. And there's millions, isn't there? Now you might be thinking at first, well, I only ever use my Dremel in the workshop, so I don't really need a cordless version. But how many times does your socket set look like this and you're running out of plugs? Now you might use some of these kind of attachments as well, where the Dremel stands up and we use it like a mini router. Suddenly the fact that there's no cord in the way is going to make that easier to do. It's not going to get caught. We're not worrying about it getting in the way. Suddenly that's going to become a lot easier. It also means we can use this outside on a nice sunny day, or in the bathroom where there aren't any sockets. Do you know what? The more I think about this, the more this is a genius idea. When the charger is plugged in, we've got this nice bright green light, and as soon as we put the battery in there, that starts flashing to say it's charging. As soon as it's done, that will be constant again, and we're set ready to go. So taking a little bit closer look at one of these. So yes, we've got this LED light on the front. That has its own tiny little batteries in there, so we're working completely independently. The speed control up here, which ranges from 5,000 RPM right there up to 35,000 RPM on full whack. This is actually, if we turn this on, here we've got the battery level light on here, so we can see this, that we've still got plenty left on there, and a nice hook in case we want to be hanging it to use some of those extra accessories on, like the flex shaft. So taking this off, we can do this independently, so we can take this light off there if we want to. Using the shaping platform that we've got, again that just threads down onto there, so we can move this up and down to give us a really precise depth to the whichever bit or accessory that we're using, and then yeah, we can grind away a perfect 90 degrees or a perfect 45 degrees to whatever it is that we're doing. So this handle that we can put on slots onto there, and again we've got a nice little screw down hold, and just finger tight on there, and that gives us a really nice grip. Look at that, that's brilliant. So looking in this box of goodies, we've got lots of sanding discs, different sizes and different grades in there as well, polishing pads, tiny little sanding discs, how cute's that, a nice block of polishing rouge, which is good to work with these. Now, here's something that for ages I didn't bother tightening up the neck with the spanner, getting in there and really nipping that up. And then I started losing some bits because I didn't nip it up enough. Always use the spanner or you're going to lose an eyeball. Right, what else have we got in here? So this is the click system, the easy speed click as Dremel call it, and I tell you what, it really is brilliant. So all you're going to do is pull this shaft back, and then they become really quick at just clicking into place, and that's locked in. It's absolutely brilliant. Look at that. And they are really good quality grinding discs as well. It takes quite a lot to wear those out, and look how many you get. Oh, loads of them. So you've got all of these clicking discs, and we've also got these kind of sanding grinding discs as well. Also, we have these different size shape patterns as well. There are some proper router bits in here as well, flat tipped up spiral cutting bits and a drill bit. Oh, there's just loads of stuff. And if you're not sure, well then obviously we've got the instruction manual, but more importantly we've got one of these which tells us what all of these accessories actually do and what we're best using them with and for. Genius. So there we go, not just the cordless Dremel that comes in the box, but a bucket load of accessories as well. And I tell you what, since opening this up, I have actually had a really good play with this and used it with all the accessories that I have. Every one of them fits on here and works brilliantly. And I tell you what, the future is cordless, it really is. So if you fancy getting your hands on one of these, I'll put some links in the description down below. There's an affiliate link to go and grab yourself one straight from Amazon. I'll put a link to Dremel's website as well, so you can check out all the extra technical details in there as well. And a couple of other links if you want to click those to find out a little bit more about me. So until next time, unplug and go make something. God bless.